National Electrical Code or NEC Article 680 addresses fire sprinkler systems. Specifically, 680.40 ATWO states that wiring and equipment within the vicinity of sprinklers that could be affected by the discharge of water must be identified for wet locations unless protected against the effects of water discharge. Article 501 covers Class 1, Class 2, and Class 3 remote control, signaling, and power-limited circuits. 501.20 reiterates the requirement that conductors and equipment near sprinklers that may be affected by water discharge must be identified for wet locations unless protected. Article 300 focuses on wiring methods. 300.7 mandates that wiring methods be installed in a neat and workmanlike manner and shall be protected from physical damage. 300.7b states that conduit and other raceways shall not be used as a support for other equipment. In addition to these code requirements, there are some considerations to keep in mind. Firstly, sprinkler heads should ideally be located a minimum of 18 inches below light fixtures to avoid direct water spray. Secondly, conduit or wireways should not be installed directly below sprinkler lines to prevent water damage. If it is necessary to have conduit or wiring near sprinkler lines, several protective measures can be taken. 1. Use waterproof or watertight conduit and fittings. 2. Install conduit above sprinklers to prevent water accumulation. 3. Seal all conduit entries with duct seal or other watertight sealant. Ensuring compliance with these NEC articles and implementing these protective measures helps to maintain electrical safety in areas with fire sprinkler systems.